revealed over how many years, my brothers? 23 years. Look at the wisdom, look at the mercy, I would say, of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He didn't just say to us on day one, you pray 5 times a day, you're going to fast for the month of Ramadan, you're going to give zakah, and you're going to go for Hajj. No. We will see when actually fasting became obligatory. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala built the iman of the Muslims, strengthened their faith, and then slowly, remember, it wasn't just about doing the good things, it was also about stopping the bad things they were doing. You can't just say to a person who drinks alcohol, stop today. Gradually, this is from the hikmah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When you look at that as well. Alhamdulillah, there's a book as well called The Prohibition of Alcohol in Islam. It's on the same link. Have a look at that as well. And you can see how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how He's so merciful, and in His infinite wisdom, how He taught Islam to the Muslims in a period of 23 years. Question number 3. On which night was the Quran revealed? Laylatul Qadr. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Now, I'm surprised. Where's it gone? The slide should be there. But let's have a look. Now, how was the Quran revealed? Here we go. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, Inna anzalnahu fi laylatul Qadr. That indeed we have sent it down in the night of Qadr. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا لَيْلَةُ الْقَدْرِ. And what may let you know? What do you think is the night of Qadr? Laylatul Qadri khayrun min alfi shahr. Subhanallah. The night of power is better than 1,000 months. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us then that the angels and the Spirit descend in it, meaning Jibreel alayhi salam, with the leave of your Lord, along with every command, peace it is till the debut of dawn. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that indeed we revealed it, meaning the Quran, in the night of Qadr, the night of power. And inshallah we've got a little section later on dedicated to this night. Now the original location, does anybody know where the original location of the Quran was? Good, Lawh Mahfuz, the protected tablets. Now, the